Yeah, it is noticeably shinier. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer Cars. What I did last night was I put the top coat on my ceramic coated Golf R and I used this stuff, which is Rennie Doyle's P&S Bead Maker. And it is considered to be a paint protectant. It's what I would consider to be a paint sealant. It is ceramic coating compatible. So I did use about a half a bottle. That's the thing about this stuff, you do use quite a bit of it for your first application. This requires an 8-hour cure time, so the car has cured for 8 hours overnight. It's in the garage right now. Let's go and take a look at it and see how shiny it is. And now this will be my first look at it. Ooh, yeah. It is glossier. It's a slight, no, it is noticeable. Look at in here. You can see the body lines even more. But physically to the touch, it is a much, much sleeker finish. That's the one thing I didn't really like about my ceramic coating, is that it still felt kind of grabby. It did not have the super slick feel that I was used to with some of my other show car products, the Zano Brothers show car products that I used to use and still do. But I wanted to try something new on this new car, new paint, new chemicals. And a C-Quartz UK 3.0 ceramic coat about a week ago. And then last night I added the P&S Bead Maker as the top coat. It's looking really good. And now I'm just going to back it out and take it for a drive for the first time. And it's actually raining right now, so we're going to get to see some of the water beading effect. Yeah, it is noticeably shinier than just the ceramic coating. I do really like the added slickness. That is highly noticeable, so it should repel dust and pollen a little bit better than just the ceramic coating itself. I'm just getting loaded up to go with the racing, and we'll take a look at it in some natural light. So here it is with the door open, and really it doesn't look that much different from when I had just ceramic coated it. But overall, it is better. So I certainly do really like using a topper or a spray shine or a sealant. This is not considered a spray shine. This is considered a top coat protectant. And I would almost consider it to be a spray sealant. And you can layer this stuff as well. And it just did add a bit more gloss and reflectivity. And like I said, that added slickness is noticeable. Take something like this microfiber rag. If as long as this rag is fairly clean, it should almost fall down on its own. There it goes. So there, yeah. So yeah, that's my first experience with Bead Maker. It wasn't the easiest thing to get off cleanly. So you put it on, I wiped it on, and then I didn't get any footage wiping it on and wiping it off, but it's a fairly standard application. Spray on liberally, wipe in, wait a second, and then use a dry cloth and wipe it off. And yeah, so this is the kind of results you can get with ceramic coat plus Bead Maker. It is a very overcast day, currently raining, but this is ceramic coat plus Bead Maker. Shame it's not a sunny day, but what can you do? Overall with this application I got very similar results to what I used to be able to do with multiple layers of Zano show car polishes. The difference is that this should last for years. The protection anyway, the ceramic coat will. The topper will likely last for a month or two, but the ceramic coating will last for years. As opposed to Zano, you're looking at around a six month cycle for Zano. Anyway, so I'm hoping that the money is worth it, because the ceramic coating products are expensive, but Bead Maker is not too bad actually. It was around 20 bucks for that bottle. The hood reflections are quite good. There's some nice reflectivity. Cool. So we'll take it for a drive and then I'll get you some shots of it, how dirty it is when we get home. Here's the bead maker the next day in the sunshine. I did drive it. There's still specks on my lens. I did drive it yesterday, so I did drive through a little bit of rain. Overall, it held up very well. But one of the things with a hatchback is they get dirty bums. So all the dirt just collects back there. So we'll see how it does. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.